We all know the story of the submarine that conquered the deep ocean. But what if the Nautilus was built to sail across the wasteland instead? Welcome back to the workshop. Today, we are laser engraving a complete structural reversal of a sci-fi classic. 20,000 leagues above the sand. I am laying down the harsh desert background details first, etching out the jagged mountain ranges and a retro-futuristic moisture outpost. Now the laser is moving onto the main ship wreckage. To capture that weathered, battered look of a craft buried in the sand dunes, I'm using a dense crosshatch burn style on the hull plates to make the wood charring feel like tarnished iron. Finally, Captain Nemo himself comes together. The definition on his top hat, double-breasted coat, and the antique camera he's holding turned out incredibly sharp. The contrast against the natural wood background is fantastic. There it is, a stranded captain in a world of endless sand. A vintage sci-fi mashup built right here in the shop. Test your history skills with the quiz below. Rate the build, and hit that subscribe button. Work safe, and I'll see you on the next journey.